Hello cryptocurrency miners, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I want to show you guys on how you can be able to earn from Bitness, right? Bitness is a web3 project just like the last one we did, and I'm going to show you guys full step you need to start earning from Bitness. So if you check through Bitness, I know a lot of you guys will be asking what is Bitness, right? And how does Bitness work, and how can you be able to earn from Bitness? Now I want to explain to you guys. If you come down right here, you're going to see that Bitness, the ecosystem of the next generation cryptocurrency known as cryptocurrency banking smart contracts on blockchain, right? Bitness is a decentralized finance DeFi platform based on blockchain technology aimed at establishing a distributed digital world system characterized by transparency, accessibility, and inclusiveness, right? It's realized a decentralized P2P economy circulation model that securely meets the savings needs of global users and institutions for capital flow, leasing, and alternating income while ensuring capital preservation. Now, if you check on this business, after reading all this, you understand how it works. But right here, I want to show you guys steps on how you can be able to start earning from business, right? First thing first, you need to connect your own wallet, right? After connecting your Web3 wallet, decentralized wallet, whether Trust Wallet, Mail, Coinbase, or MetaMask, right? After connecting it for easy use, you just need to copy the link and go to your own wallet browser. If you log into your own MetaMask, just copy the link and paste it on your Discover, or you can call it a browser, your own browser, right? Then you can be able to open the link and then you connect your wallet. Right here, you are going to see that your wallet is connected. This place here is going to show you that your wallet is not connected. Then you connect the wallet and it will start flashing like this, right? After connecting your wallet, the next thing you need to do is to scroll. Now let me show you guys on how you can be able to perform your own activities. We have Saving Box, a pancake swap protocol based on blockchain technology designed to provide users with safe and efficient saving services. And also there's Loop, right? This loop is where you're going to perform the tasks as is. So what you need to do is to tap on this join, right? You tap on join. Once you tap on join, you come down right here. You're going to see how to participate. If you don't know how to participate, just tap right here, right? In case you're not understanding what I'm saying properly, just tap right here. Tap on how to participate. Participating in BitLoop is very simple. Participants only need to enter the amount of circulating USDT according to their needs on the BitLoop collection page and choose the cycle they want to participate in to obtain a BitLoop circulation order, right? So you guys can see it right here. I don't want to read all this. Let me just show you myself instead of reading all this. Now, you can see that in this circulation chain, we have BIP20 USDT, Polygon, and then we have Ethereum, and then Polygon USDC, Ethereum USDC, and then ETH PYUSD, right? So these are the chain you can use to make transaction on this Bitness. So if I want to deposit just to start bit looping, all I need to do is to tap on this day 1 or maybe day 7, depends on the plan you want to enter, right? So me, I want to enter, let me try maybe plan 7 days, right? 7 days plan. Now let me put the amount I want to start with. You can start the minimum of 10 USDT, right? And the maximum is 1 million USDT. Then you tap right here. Let me put just 100 USDT. So on this 100 USDT plan, if you check on 7 days, you can be able to earn 126 USDT, right? With 100 USDT, which means you are getting 26 USDT profit, right? ROE, which is returning of investment. Then you can also do 14 days, and then you can do 1 day or 28 days, right? That's the maximum. But in 1 day, you'll be able to earn 2 USDT. If you put 100 USDT, you're going to earn 2.5 USDT, right? Then you tap on circulation. So without wasting much time, let me show you guys on how you can be able to deposit and how you can be able to withdraw, right? The first thing you need to do is to come and tap on this savings box, right? You tap on savings box, right? You tap on savings box. You're going to see top up and also withdrawal, right? This is where you're going to withdraw your income, and also this is where you're going to top up, right? Let me tap on top up. Once I tap on top up, now I'm going to use BIP20, right? If you want to do transaction, you use BIP20, then you put the amount you want to deposit, right? Let me say I want to deposit 100 USDT. The minimum is 10 USDT. The minimum is 10 USDT, right? Then you tap on the USDT amount of the USDT, and this is the payment address, right? Use BIP20 USDT, right? You copy the payment address, you copy it, then you go and make your transaction, your deposit, right? After depositing, then you tap on confirm, right? You tap on confirm. Once you deposit, you tap on confirm, right? This is how you are going to deposit. If you have USDT on your Trust wallet, or maybe any decentralized wallet you connected, then it's going to flash for you to deposit automatically, right? You're going to deposit it automatically. You're going to see your available balance, then you tap on deposit, right? You deposit it. Maybe you have USDT under Polygon, then it's going to flash right here. Then you tap on the network, right? You tap on the network, and then you run your transaction. Let me say I have Polygon. If I have Polygon USDT under Polygon network, I'm going to tap on Polygon, right? I'm going to tap on Polygon, then I put the amount. Once I put the amount, I'll tap on confirm. Then this USDT will withdraw from my own MetaMask, or maybe Trust wallet that I'm using that I've already connected, right? The Trust wallet that I've already connected, this USDT will remove and deposit. I'll see my available balance right here. Once I see my available balance, then I can be using it, I can use it to start this bit loop. And if you want to withdraw, the same thing. This is where you're going to withdraw. You tap on withdraw. You put your own withdrawal address, right? The same address. You put your own, then you put the maximum amount, the amount you want to withdraw, then you tap on withdraw. That's all. If there's anything you don't know, make sure you chat me up. Don't go and do wrong entry, right? If you don't know anything, just let me know. I'll show you how to do it. Yes. Guys, if you know you are complicating on all the steps I showed you guys right here, you can chat me up, and I'm going to direct you on how you can be able to do everything at ease. I'll see you guys in the next update. Please make sure you subscribe and like this video. Thank you.